Hello, Abusian. Welcome to Gasby GH. The moment now about mobile Gasby GH platform you be. And then I can about Wendy Shay and then the accident is in Yamen Kwan can the car no a roof so. I'm pretty sure someone now want those highlights. Now let's talk a little bit about a day accident no nyaye. Car ben no need ko shiaye and a ban saying important on the car you kokoshia then I know more car no or then how speed was the other one also driving into a mass in Conchia we say nearby na with a gun I mean kai in yaw not your bread there's been too many deaths of young men, young women, both the high society and young average Joffrey your bread roads in the basa on top of it the driving so yes some of them are so reckless, especially those who are driving those tipper trucks. Normally the officers they are untouchable. Oh I ask some more officers are untouchable in the case of what TSC kind when one say zoom and form right of way and you now she say no more. It doesn't mean say yeah immortal. Yeah just human beings keke. Se siya ne nipa ediemia, se siya ne nipa enyasem. Eba ne saying it's Friday night, just before midnight Friday night before Saturday morning. And I joke this 12 o'clock midnight tomorrow. Wendy Shay car ekokonya accident with another tipper truck. Onyakwa is it deputy news director of UTV. Na we drew hon more at that time. Ti ono kwa no call ya ono ne kwa kasa ye so hu se car ni so no ko bisa ye na nye Wendy Shay ni never ne say na just say eyewitness ko fo jeje hon no na some mo kan no nyina ne say nya aba na wo hwe no. Enti wunim o ma yen konko hwe Wendy Shay video no. Ye kokko hwe wie
between ACP Estate ne Kwabenya Junction. That stretch no so say adisa na e kwan dem police for kwan dem mo but cars ne twa mi kafa. Na me ya bedru say opa university Accra campus no junction no so valley musa o yes o fro no na musa ni pe ku cars be no ba na me say me park na me hwa ade. Me share na me who say lady BPA na see wabon person to say when they say no na me say no let me rush and see what's happening. Me share na when they say ne Wrangler no use no ya register no customized say quickly na me ben na me say what is happening no say ultimate kasa be brain na ni ti ni board dashboard na me say then no say track no to conform around na just say track tipper track or loading Anya ofi only free ACP Estate ebesia ko Kwabenya and when the Shay so fi Kwabenya ebesia ko towards ACP Estate. Now according to eyewitnesses no when the Shay try very hard so by avoiding no or the anyway in Kenya that's the one side of Kedikora the side Kora that the man Kenyanka when the Shay ran to a little bit pull over and that's some assault or something but well, according to eyewitnesses, when they say driving very well, tries to avoiding to the front side, no, me to say the tire, no, actually, tire not says, then when they say they complain, they say the TNA, and think of who going to see or more tries on the one at the hospital.
It's a prince, yeah, no, Cassis is still or accident scene or call hospital, yeah.
No accident scene what Crawford or more tries on any Crawford tries on being near every car because in a car na no so much job be valuable say what muno Crawford be and especially in Crawford who ni papa or no Crawford be valuable so car so more tries on being the every car na or more than a hospital but I spoke to her and she seemed fine but all she told me was that the T-board here until the teen
and about only for a fact that no on one and air driving, no on one and air driving, and now wine, and then a walk no.
Okay, minute Casanana, there was another lady, well front seat, no. There was another Tacoma, there was a parking chain. So I don't know. I can't tell for now. Say, on car, driving, and now said there were other people because now the other ladies were rough front seats now. All VIP compartments, no. So I haven't gotten that. I haven't gotten that information yet. Say on car now, so on the other car.
Now just a prince in narrative says still our accident scene. Is it that anything serious? Because also the TNA no bruises. She knew I call for emergency. By this time I sank our hospital bed so Anna attended to Nana.
I think a serious crime because we shall now disoriented kakra. Many casano on ye miti na pema de miti. And see, I even tried introducing myself, but if you mention, putting say, as a wire baby or walk a crack, and that calls for alarm. I think say she needs medical attention. Now, me who say omu movie, and see, me don't want na Tacoma. We are sure so hospital no more never come.
Okay, as I say, the only in a movie from accident scene where ebi omune na eko hospital, but can't dear. Can't dear egusu see no baby e wona.
It's the homa tipa the tipa is also lying on its side.
Oh.
Yes, the tipa. So that should tell you the impact. The tipa is lying on its side.
Tipa ni so amuni.
Tipa ni so amuni. The tipa is lying on its side. And when the shade and also actually half LC gutter move and I have CC coin.
Okay, that's the gutter in the shots there. I just been. Now me pa short tipa truck driver no so eh.
Tipa truck driver no. Now Crawford Castle came back as attention in the so. Attention when Wendy Shay because she is popular. To be an no. It's attention in the so. Me try to make up close, but then when crowd are back on, then your crowd gets what. So in a visuals to cry, I stole the visuals. I couldn't remove my phone and display send me a picture and I mean videos. I had to find a way of stealing the visuals quickly. Oh, now tipper driver no musu wakim. But maybe shame with them who be a woman, but musu wakim.
Yo, Ebusia. So someone who near Canina say Wendy Shay really tried her best. Or try say or be swivel. Now, almost it say na in the panswa a good car no name said money gangs. Someone say when the Shay Nation, the leader of the Shay Nation, the Shay gangs. So nipa a gumunya sem ketwa. Sem pay be brenu si ete car no na se ne na fufuo no ni nyama. Aya mo mayenya abotre kakra na yen focus on the direction on the driving. And no more Bobby Bray two distractions for nipa na kasa no a walk up. For your focus now with a kakano. And two banyum be brave, loud, no more tonyum, no more sat, no more yesi, meaning nara, reduce your attention span. And this a empon cardia pian cabin from far away and kawono, who bet me edna baby kakrano. Now, a son said, even though you only are wrong you turn or only are wrong. However, once when pay attention to when to me and dodge. Or went to me and who a tree and stop poor baby. And she said, yes, so I take us and get to a moon, see a car. Oh, my pay more attention because a lot of these accidents are very, very preventable. So, now there's a tipper truck for no crowd, I don't know. Some of formal licenses know he phones. Some first I would see him, we made now, we see I can now see him now. We are go to Jessica Mao, we near Mao licenses. No, not what was a bravo we say as I would started driving her. A day part of them. We couldn't pay now, Paso. So what you're saying? What a cracker no more air come. You need to pay attention. You need to pay attention to baby. Because I'm more like when you might be brain and you might be break when I say the lightning bomb on film which way ye blind spots no cracks a big problem blind spot nimpono a nimpo ni mirror nimpo no their share. And very, very sad. Very, very sad. We've lost so many actresses and actors to car accidents. Musicians, gospel, mainstream, average Joe for cry the you can't cry and can't. So, no serious pa, no careful. Both yena driver cars in Kitsuano and nay, almost a driver tipper truck and you're very, very careful, you're serious, and so you focus on the road. Because when I'm quite as well. Life, any part life, I shall want some. Why what can omo gum no omo so take other cars move ba any omo jeje chain na no omo life e she won sem. So what you say? I mean, eyewitness people can say yes. Or boy, any you try yes, swerve yes, say that or the question gata no. Is Kenya gata no dia. Kenya nka some assaulting the nka nka die. I sorry nka anti asempa. Na Aden Ebony 2018. Susie Williams I 2007 to 2008 was ahio. Aden Kwame Owusu ansa. Oh, too much. The name is endless. That's a all of these people. Celebrities if unkuni na yen ma ya kan so just say ni bubuja nkofo aye wo eja eyi omo ma me no mo nua no omo busua nyina ho de we ti mo miemo ye ho ban say infrastructure no is not supporting us mo ma yanka san say vigilant and yen nyina na betimi avoid it, but we can avoid so many if we are vigilant. We take our eyes off the phone, we take our eyes off the gadget, we minimize the music in our car, and you know you be the whole ni nyina ra you minimizing ni nyina ra. So what kaka when you ain't been free a more than 3 seconds, your eyes should be back. Your eyes should back. Anything more than 3 seconds, no, that's it. Like you are doomed for distraction. You are doomed for accident. You are doomed to perish. Thank you so much.